Assalamu alaikum, dear children. So we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 7, that is trigonometric identities. I have written 3 of them over here. The first is sin square plus cos square is equals to 1. The second is 1 plus tan square is equals to sec square theta. And the third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. These ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओनली दीज 3 आइडेंटिटीज, सिर्फ इन 3 आइडेंटिटीज के बेस पर ही ये पूरा चैप्टर है आपका ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज। इन्हीं आइडेंटिटीज से बाकी की और दूसरी आइडेंटिटीज वी कैन डिराइव और वी कैन प्रूव समथिंग कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द अनदर थिंग। बट बिफोर वी गो टू द क्वेश्चंस और द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, हम पहले जान लेते हैं कि ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज एक्चुअली बनी कैसे। Okay, so let's just take a brief look at over here. If I'm drawing a right angle triangle, because as we know, whenever we are talking about, let's say this is a theta, this is 90. Whenever we are talking about trigonometry is only and only based on a right angle triangle. ये हम बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं ना कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की जब भी बात आ रही है, यानी कि हमारा पहले माइंड में ख्याल क्या आना चाहिए, दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। सो अब अगर एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है एट पॉइंट बी एंड थीटा, वी आर पुटिंग सी एज थीटा ओवर हियर। नाउ बाय द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या कह रहा है? Pythagoras, what we have is perpendicular square plus base square is equals to hypotenuse square. We all know this by this Pythagoras theorem, that the perpendicular square plus base square is equals to the hypotenuse square. The perpendicular over here is AB, so we will write as AB square. The base is over here is BC, so we'll write as BC square, and the hypotenuse over here is AC, so we'll write AC square. So if we divide the whole equation, इस पूरी इक्वेशन को अगर हम AC से डिवाइड कर देते हैं, okay, so what we will get as AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square is equals to AC square upon AC square, right? I will just do all the things in a very brief steps, because I don't want to take this thing into the deep. We just want to analyze how these trigonometric identities has formed. Okay, so now just look at this step carefully. AC square will 1, because it will cut by 1, it is cut by 1, right? Now over here AB square upon AC square, AB का भी स्क्वायर है, AC का भी स्क्वायर है, so can I write like this, AB upon AC the whole square? The same thing, BC square upon AC square, can I write BC upon AC the whole square? अब देखो AB upon AC हम कह रहे हैं, AB upon AC, if I'm considering this as theta, so for this theta, AB upon AC, this trigonometric ratio forms the sin theta, right? And as this ratio is having the square, therefore sin square theta. Now let's talk about the BC upon AC. BC upon AC, the base upon hypotenuse, considering as this theta, so it will become as cos theta, and as this ratio is having square, that's why this also will have the square. So in this way the first identity comes. All right, now the what will be for the next one. अब second के लिए क्या करेंगे? For this part हमने भी AC से divide किया है, now we'll divide by AB square, then we'll get something like this. Let me just erase it and I'll just do the directly calculation. Now this time what we have done, this time this equation we are dividing by AB square, सबको AB square से divide कर दिया। पहले हमने किससे divide किया था? AC square से। अब इस बार हम क्या कर रहे हैं? AB square से divide कर रहे हैं। The same process will be done over here also. Now let's see what will happen. So taking this equation one more time. This time we will divide this equation by AB square. इससे पहले वाले में हमने क्या किया था, AC स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर दिया. दिस टाइम व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, AB स्क्वायर. द सेम प्रोसेस विल बी डन. क्या हो जाएगा, ये AB स्क्वायर से ये AB स्क्वायर तो कैंसिल हो गया. BC स्क्वायर अपॉन AB स्क्वायर है, सो आई कैन राइट लाइक दिस BC अपॉन AB द होल स्क्वायर. Similarly AC upon AB will becomes AC upon AB the whole square. Okay, AB square has been cut, so it will be 1 plus BC upon AB the whole square. Now just see it carefully. This is BC, okay, and this is AB. BC upon AB. We are taking base upon perpendicular. So for the base upon perpendicular, it is the cot theta with respect to this theta. So it will become cot square theta. And then over here, AC upon AB. The hypotenuse divided by the perpendicular. The hypotenuse divided by the perpendicular. So we know that this is cosec theta, and at it contains square, so it will comes like this. Why these things has come, अपने पढ़ाई है ना वो, पढ़ो बिस्मिल्लाह, पढ़ो हर दम हर वक्त बिस्मिल्लाह. These are things you have been gone through. So you can see the cot, this is the cot, base upon perpendicular, है ना. Cosec, this is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So this is, in this way we have come through with this second identity. Now let's talk for the third identity. Let me erase one more time. Let me just write the one more equation one more time over here. So now let's see. AB square upon BC square. अब इसी इक्वेशन को हमने क्या कर दिया, अब BC स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर दिया. पहले AC से डिवाइड किया, फिर AB से डिवाइड किया. नाउ दिस टाइम वी आर डिवाइडिंग बाय BC. सो BC स्क्वायर से तो BC स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया. AB square upon AC square can be write like this, AB upon BC the whole square. Similarly, AC upon BC we can write it as whole square. Now let's see, AB upon BC with respect to the theta. AB upon AC. AB upon BC. Okay, the perpendicular divided by the base. The perpendicular divided by the base, we know that it's a tan theta, and as it is containing square, so we'll write as square. Then plus 1, because over here the whole thing has been cancelled out. AC upon BC. AC upon BC. Now we are taking the hypotenuse divided by the base. The hypotenuse divided by the base, so we know this is sec theta. So these are the three identities we are talking about in this equation, in this chapter. The first one, the second one, or the third one, whatever you say. So these identities I have already written on to the top, and with respect to this we will start the first exercise of this chapter. And let me tell you one thing before we start. Just cross out the exercise 7.2, because in this year that exercise has been removed from your revised syllabus. Okay, so just cross out the exercise 7.2.